Alleged 27 billion naira fraud. Court grants ex-Taraba Governor Ishaku 150 million naira bail. The Federal Capital Territory High Court in Maitama, Abuja, on Thursday granted bail to former Taraba State Governor Taraba Ishaku in the sum of 150 million naira. Bello Yero, a former permanent secretary at the Bureau for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs in Taraba State, was also granted bail for the same amount. Both Ishaku and Yero are standing trial for their alleged involvement in 27 billion naira fraud case. Recall that Ishaku and Yero were arrested by the EFCC on September 27th in connection with the alleged diversion of 1.138 billion from the 2.5% contingency fund belonging to the Bureau for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs in Taraba State. These alleged offences occurred between 2015 and 2021 during Ishaku's tenure as governor. The two defendants are facing a 15-count charge filed by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), which accuses them of criminal breach of trust, conspiracy, and illegal conversion of public funds. At the arraignment on Monday, both men pleaded not guilty to the charges and requested bail, pending the hearing and determination of the case. Their lawyers, Paul Ogbole San and Oluwakayode, made all applications for bail. During Thursday's proceedings, Justice Orji granted bail after the prosecution did not oppose the request. The court ordered both defendants to provide 2 sureties each, who must reside within the Federal Capital Territory (FCT). The trial has been adjourned to November 4th. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we provide more updates on this developing story as information becomes available.